Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new lecture. This lecture is where it gets exciting because we're going to take a deep dive into how you can make money through TikTok. With nearly 150 million users in the US alone in 2024, the platform's explosive growth is a lucrative opportunity for marketers and solo entrepreneurs targeting its sizable Gen Z audience. And what do I mean by that? Well, basically, for those of you who are looking to leverage TikTok's massive user base and earnings potential, creator monetization strategies vary. From selling exclusive merchandise to exploring affiliate partnerships, all of these provide diverse and rewarding avenues to earn money through TikTok. But monetizing your TikTok relies on understanding your audience and how the platform actually works. Whilst there's no one-size-fits-all approach here, successful earners typically maintain a mix of different income streams through the platform, and I'm going to teach you what they are. Now, of course, the main income stream we're going to cover is getting paid directly from TikTok themselves. Now, this is through the TikTok Creativity Program, which is basically the new updated version of the original TikTok Creator Fund, which has now been discontinued. And the TikTok Creativity Program is now the main way people get paid from TikTok, and it is the perfect revenue stream for passive income earners. So, what is the TikTok Creativity Program? Well, this earnings program was actually launched in May 2023, and basically it's an absolute game changer for creators. Now, of course, just like YouTube, there are requirements you have to meet to start getting paid from TikTok, and these are 10,000 followers and also 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Which sounds like a lot, guys, but it's not actually that hard to achieve. Of course, a 10,000 follower count is probably the hardest one to achieve, but the 100,000 views on your videos in the last 30 days is honestly relatively easy, and I'll show you how you can do that throughout this course. Now, the TikTok Creativity Program offers eligible creators an opportunity to earn through their content. So to get paid, you must be 18 years old and you must maintain a good standing account. Obviously, you must also meet the minimum requirements that I mentioned previously. And how much you get paid actually completely depends on a variety of different aspects, such as your video engagement, the content you post, where you're located, where your audience is located, and a few more. So people get paid different amounts depending on those factors. But to put it simply, you're basically going to earn money per 1,000 views. So if you had a video that gets 360,000 views, you'd earn a lot. Whereas if your video only got 1,200 views, you wouldn't earn so much. So it completely depends on how many views you get, and you divide it by 1,000 and they'll give you a figure for that. So that's the main way to earn passive income through TikTok. But for those of you who want to take it a step further, here are some more ways that you can earn money through TikTok. The first one on the list is merchandise sales. So users can transform their TikTok popularity into thriving businesses by creating and selling branded merchandise. From t-shirts, tote bags and hats to various other products available through print-on-demand services, creators can offer unique items to their dedicated fan base. Now, branded merchandise not only generates you revenue, but also helps you strengthen your connection between you and your audience. It basically acts as a really powerful marketing tool, and a lot of TikTok creators do this. So down the line, guys, we can look at setting up your own merchandise store. Now, second on this list, you have live streaming for gifts. Now, TikTok's live gifting feature enables creators to engage with their audience in real time and receive virtual gifts that can be converted into monetary rewards. Now, going live on TikTok not only fosters a more intimate relationship with fans, but also presents an opportunity for creators to showcase and sell their products directly. Now, a lot of TikTokers do this, guys. Going live is a very popular thing. Now, it's more difficult with a faceless channel. If you want to know how to do it after this course, do let me know and I'll be able to help you. Then, of course, you can't forget tips. Now, creators have multiple options for collecting tips from their viewers, whether it's through TikTok's native tipping feature, Tippy, or Buy Me a Coffee, or Ko-fi. Now, these tipping platforms offer flexibility in terms of payment and simplicity. These platforms enhance a creator-viewer relationship, creating a symbiotic connection. So basically guys, your viewers can tip you for the content you create. If you create really good content that pulls on people's heartstrings or helps people with motivation, or if people just genuinely enjoy your content, they can send you tips through either TikTok, or you can set up your own tip account through Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-fi. It's a great way to earn money separately from the TikTok Creator Fund. Tipping culture on TikTok is a really big thing, guys. But yeah, now the last method of making money on this list, guys, is affiliate partnerships. The TikTok Creator Marketplace facilitates quick and efficient connections between brands and influencers for affiliate marketing. Basically, there's loads of brands on TikTok and they seek out accounts with big followings to be able to promote and affiliate their products for them. So you've got young, exciting brands who have brand new products and they look for influencers. If you've got an account big enough, they're going to reach out to you so you can promote their products and give you an affiliate link. And of course, affiliate links, every single time you sell one of their products, you'll get commission on top of that. So it's a great way to earn money through TikTok as well as the TikTok Creativity Program. That is it for this lecture. If there is anything else you want to know, please do let me know in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you. Now, as I said, the TikTok Creativity Program is the one that will mainly apply to you. But of course, there's no harm in checking out the other revenue options that I've listed above once you've built up a large enough audience base. But for now, we're going to focus on the TikTok Creativity Program because honestly, it pays a lot of money and it's just the best way to get passive income through the app. Anyway, thank you very much for listening, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.